Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Tim?
I'm good. A little nervous, but excited.
That's okay. Nervous and excited is a good mix.
Yes, like coffee and milk.
Yes, exactly like that.
So, where are we?
We are right here on Turtle English Channel.
Oh, yes, our lovely English learning channel.
That's right. This channel is for English learners. Slow English, easy English, friendly English.
For beginners like me.
Yes, for beginners, and for people who feel shy when they speak English.
That's me. Very shy.
You're not alone, Tim. Many people feel shy.
Really?
Really? Even me?
You? But you're the teacher.
Yes, but I was shy too, long time ago.
Oh, wow.
So, if you are listening now and you want to improve your English, please remember to like, subscribe, and share Turtle English Channel.
Yes, please. Like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you so much.
So, Rosie, what is today's topic?
Today, we talk about something very important.
Very important?
Yes, very, very important.
Now I'm curious.
Today's topic is how to start a conversation in English.
Oh, that is hard.
Yes, it can feel hard.
My mind goes blank.
Blank?
Empty. No words.
Like no signal?
Yes, no Wi-Fi in my brain.
That's a good example.
So today you will help me?
Of course. That's why we're here.
Great.
Tim, let me ask you something.
Okay.
When do you need to start a conversation in English?
At school, at work, online,
Good.
also when I meet foreigners.
Yes, very common.
But I don't know what to say.
That's normal.
I worry about mistakes.
Ah, the fear of mistakes.
Yes, big fear.
Let me tell you something important.
Okay, I'm listening.
Mistakes are okay.
Really?
Really, mistakes mean you are learning.
That sounds nice.
Also, people don't care about your mistakes.
They don't?
No, they care about connection.
Connection?
Yes, talking, sharing, being friendly.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Let's start with something simple.
Okay.
What is a conversation?
Two people talk.
Good, yes.
They listen.
Very good.
They reply.
Perfect.
So conversation is not a speech.
Exactly. It's not a long speech.
It's like a ping pong game.
Yes, back and forth.
Ping, pong.
Nice image. Now, the big question.
Yes,
How do we start?
that's the scary part.
Here's the secret.
I'm ready.
Starting is simple.
Simple?
Yes, you don't need big words.
Really?
Really, you need small, friendly sentences.
Like what?
Like greetings.
Ah, hello?
Yes, hello, hi, hey.
That's it?
That's the first step.
But after hi, my brain stops again.
That's okay. Let me show you some easy ways.
Okay.
Number 1, talk about the situation.
Situation?
Yes, what is happening now?
Oh,
For example, it's hot today.
that's easy.
Very easy.
Or it's raining.
Perfect.
People always talk about weather.
Yes, weather is your best friend. Number 2, talk about the place.
The place,
Yes, where you are.
like a cafe?
Exactly.
So I can say, this cafe is nice.
Very good.
Or this place is crowded.
Yes, great example. Number 3, ask a simple question.
Questions are scary.
But simple questions are friendly.
Like,
Is this seat free?
oh, that's useful.
Or, do you come here often?
That sounds natural.
Yes, natural is the key. Let's practice.
Okay, I'll try.
Imagine we are in an elevator.
Oh no, elevator talk.
Yes,
Okay.
you start.
Hi.
Good.
It's, it's slow today.
Very good.
Really?
Yes, natural and simple.
Oh, wow.
Tim, do you have a story about this?
Yes, a small one.
Please share.
One time, I met a foreigner.
Okay.
I wanted to talk.
And?
I said nothing.
Oh no.
I smiled and ran away.
You ran?
Yes, very fast.
That's funny and cute.
Not cute for me.
But now you know.
Yes, I can say hi.
Exactly. Let me share my story.
Okay,
When I was learning English, I was very shy.
like me?
Yes, exactly like you.
Wow.
One day, I was in a class.
Okay,
The teacher said, "Talk to your partner."
scary.
Very scary.
What did you say?
I said, "Hi, I'm Rosy."
That's simple.
Yes, and my partner smiled.
Nice.
That smile helped me a lot.
So people are kind.
Most people are. Now, let's review some words.
Okay, teacher.
First word, conversation.
Conversation.
What is a conversation?
Two or more people talk and listen.
Very good. Next word, start.
Start means begin.
Correct.
Like start a conversation.
Perfect. Next word, situation.
Situation means what is happening now.
Excellent. Next word, shy.
Shy means nervous to talk.
Yes, very clear. Last word for now, simple.
Simple means easy, not difficult.
Great job, Tim.
Thank you.
So today we learned something important.
Yes,
Starting a conversation does not need big English.
small English is okay.
Yes, small, friendly, natural.
I like that.
And we can talk about weather
Or the place.
or ask simple questions.
I feel more confident now,
That makes me happy.
but I still want more examples.
Good, because we have more to talk about.
Great.
Next, we will go deeper.
Deeper?
Yes, we will talk about common questions, what to say after hi, and how to keep the conversation going.
Yes, that's exactly how I feel. After hi, my brain stops.
That's very normal, Tim.
I smile, then I panic inside.
Many learners do that.
So what should I say next?
Let's take it step by step, slowly. You already learned the first step.
Say hi.
Yes, that's great.
But silence comes after that.
So we add one small sentence.
Only one?
Only one, no pressure.
Okay.
This sentence can be very simple.
Like a baby sentence?
Yes, baby English is powerful.
I like that.
Here are some easy patterns.
I'm ready.
Pattern 1, greeting plus weather.
Classic.
For example, "Hi, it's very hot today."
Or, hi, it's cold today.
Perfect. Pattern 2, greeting plus place.
Place.
Yes, where you are now.
Hi, this cafe is nice.
Excellent.
Hi, this place is busy.
Very natural. Pattern 3, greeting plus feeling.
Feeling.
Yes, how you feel now.
Hi, I'm a little tired.
That's good.
Or, hi, I'm happy to be here.
Lovely sentence.
Rosie, why do simple sentences work so well?
Good question.
I think big sentences sound better.
Not always.
Really?
Simple sentences are clear.
Clear is good.
They're easy to understand.
And easy to answer.
Exactly.
So people feel relaxed.
Yes, relaxed people talk more.
Okay, what if the other person talks a lot?
Then your job is easy.
Easy?
Yes, you listen.
Listening is easier than speaking.
Very true.
But I should say something, right?
Yes, small reactions.
Like what?
Like, oh really? I see. That's nice.
Those are short.
Short is perfect. You can also repeat one word.
Repeat?
Yes, it shows interest.
Example?
If I say, I work in an office.
I can say, an office?
Exactly.
Then I can ask, what do you do there?
Perfect follow-up. Let's do a longer practice.
Okay. A little nervous.
That's okay. We are in a cafe.
All right.
You start.
Hi. This cafe is very quiet.
Yes, it is. I like quiet places.
Oh, really? Me too.
I often come here to read.
Read? What do you like to read?
Simple books and short stories.
That's nice. I like short stories too.
See?
That was not scary.
Exactly.
Rosie, I have another fear.
Tell me.
I think I'm boring.
Oh no.
My life is simple.
That's okay.
I don't travel a lot.
Also okay.
I don't have big stories.
You don't need big stories.
Really?
Small stories are enough.
Like what?
What you did today, what you like to eat, how you feel now,
That sounds easy.
and very human.
I remember something.
Tell me.
Last week, I was at a bus stop.
Okay.
A foreigner stood next to me.
And?
I wanted to talk.
Did you?
Yes, a little.
Great.
I said, "Hi, the bus is late."
That's perfect.
He smiled and said, "Yes, very late."
Nice.
Then I said nothing. But I didn't run away.
That's progress.
Yes. Next time, I will add one more sentence.
I'm proud of you.
Rosie, one more thing.
Yes?
How do I end a conversation?
Good question.
Ending is also scary.
It doesn't have to be.
Really?
You can be polite and simple.
Examples.
Nice talking to you. I have to go now. Have a nice day.
Those are easy.
Yes, no drama. Now let's review important vocabulary again.
Okay, let's do it.
Word 1, greeting.
Greeting means saying hello.
Correct. Word 2, comment.
A comment is a short sentence about something.
Good. Word 3, react.
React means show how you feel or think.
Excellent. Word 4, awkward.
Awkward means uncomfortable or strange.
Yes. Word 5, confident.
Confident means not afraid to try.
Very good. Now let's look at the big picture.
Okay,
Starting a conversation is a skill.
a skill I can practice.
Yes, you start with a greeting.
Then one small sentence.
You listen.
You react.
You ask easy questions.
You don't worry too much.
Exactly.
English feels less scary now.
That makes me very happy. Now it's time for our question.
The question of the day.
Yes. What is one simple sentence you can use to start a conversation today?
Write it in the comments,
We will read them.
and maybe use them in the next episode.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Thank you for listening and practicing.
Remember, English grows with use.
One sentence at a time.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share Turtle English channel.
We are happy to learn with you.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
And keep starting conversations in English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.